Hello, what's up, guys? My name is Amit. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Last video we have learned all these things like edit, update, delete, post, edit, to do, and update to do, and add to do. Everything study I have learned using Redux. So today we will start CRUD operation. Create, delete, update, CRUD operation, complete CRUD operation using API. We will integrate the API, temporary API. We will use the temporary API, okay, Json server API, and integrate in our project. And based on the API, we will send the request and get request. We will call get request, post request, put request, and delete request. That is the HTTP methods. Okay, so today we will learn. So before start the video, first we will create one project. So I am opening inside the project and type here cmd. So command prompt open. So here I am creating a new project. npx create react app, and project name is CRUD operation. CRUD operation. CRUD operation app. Okay. So it will take some time. It will take some time. So before creating this one, we'll learn we will know about the HTTP method. What is the HTTP method? Okay, HTTP methods. Okay, so mostly there are 4 methods in regular use. We will use in regularly. There are 4 methods. I will open the notepad. I will show you. In regular basis, we will use some HTTP methods. Okay, first is get method. Okay, we will know about the get and how to use get. Second is post method, and the third is put or fetch. Okay, and fourth is delete. So that is some HTTP methods which we use for making the API call. Okay, asynchronous API call. So before knowing this, we will know what is the API. API application interface. API is the connectivity to front end to back end to front end. We will get the data back end to front end, and whatever data we want to send into the backend. So we will use some API. Based on the API, we will integrate, and API provides the connectivity to front end to backend. Okay, and there are 4 methods we will regularly use. Okay, so get method use to getting the data. Get method is used to getting the data from backend to front end. Backend to front end. Backend to front. Backend to front end. Okay. So there are some example are there. Some examples I will show you. Some example how to get data. Okay, how to get data. So for using fetch method. For using fetch method. For using fetch method. Fetch method is the predefined JavaScript method. Okay, using fetch method, we will call fetch. Inside the fetch, we will pass the URL and something like this. I will copy some URL. I will copy some URLs. Like this. This is the example. Okay. Posts. Okay. So this is the URL for getting the data, and here, comma, inside this I am providing methods. Which type method we will perform here? Method, that is the method get. Okay, here I am defining method get, and after that dot then I am getting some response. So it is not properly corrected getting response in the first. Then we will get some promises. In the promises define the it will pass or fail. Not sure it will pass or fail. Okay. After second, then we will get. So response dot response dot JSON. Response.json. Here it's converting into the JSON format. Again dot then I will get result, actual result. Result equal to, here I'm console.log, right? So this is the get method. Like this, I'm calling. I will call like this, and using Axios. Axios is the third-party library which provided by React. Okay. So first we need to install the library, and second call like this Axios dot get, because this is the get call, right? So we will call like this Axios dot get and pass the URL here dot, then I'm getting result, actual result here. We don't need to use 2 times 10, right? Getting result console.log result, like this. So this is the example of get method. Okay. And post method we will use for posting data. Some data we want to post front end to back end. Posting data from front end to back end. Okay. Back end. Example. I will see the example here. So what I will do here, we will use the same fetch here. First we will check using fetch method. Okay. Fetch. We will pass URL. For post. Same URL we will pass. Backend will provide you the URL. I am using just for temporary purpose. Okay. We will pass the URL here, post, and second, like this comma, inside this parameter I am passing method. What is the method here? Post method. And next parameter I am passing here body. What body we will send to the backend? This type of body we will send to the backend as a JSON format. So which type of data you pass? So first we need to write const here, const request data. I'm creating one variable object here. I'm creating one object. I want to pass name. For example, I want to pass Amit, comma, email. I want to pass here email Amit@gmail.com. Okay. And third is I want to pass mobile number. So I'm passing as a string mobile number 12345. So this body we need to we need to post front end to back end. If user submit the form, so we need to call post method. So same body we will pass here. We will pass here same body as a request. So dot then again same here I am getting two times, then I am using two times, then first then response.json it's converted into the JSON, and after that second then I am getting result, it is posted or not. It's giving some response console.log, some giving response status code result. Okay, so I hope you guys trying to understand what I am explaining here. Same thing, same thing, same thing we need to apply using Axios. Okay, using Axios Axios.post same URL we need to pass, here, and second parameter body, what body we need to send? Request data. I'm passing like this only, and then I'm getting result, it is posted or not. It's giving me the status. Okay, right in the new line. And put or patch. Why we will use put or patch? We need to, when we want to update some data, for example using get call, I am getting some data, right? If in the client side user want to update some data, user want to edit some data, after that, after editing, I want to update and send to the backend for storing the inside the database. So in that case, we need to use put method. For updating purpose, we need to use put or patch. So how we will call? I just copy this example. First, I writing here put method we will use for update operation. Okay, for update operation. Okay, now so update operation we will perform based on the ID. Okay, based on the ID we need to pass here. Based on the ID, I want to update ID number 1. Okay, and here I am passing put. Okay, and same body we need to pass here, and copy the body also here. We will need to create body also here. Put. And here I need to pass ID also. ID, based on the ID we will update it. Based on the ID we will update it. So ID is the unique, and it is an ID number. Okay, I am updating ID number 1 data. ID number 1 data I want to update here like this. Okay, initially it's as Amit, I want to update as Amit Kumar. Okay, and send data. Same thing we need to pass body here also, and the same, and copy this one. Using Axios, we will use like this. With example, we will learn, but as of now, for understanding purpose, just I am explaining here. Delete method, delete method we will use for deleting records. Okay, example, copy all these things. Okay, paste here. For deleting purpose, here I am using delete method. I am passing the ID, which ID data we want to delete. Okay, and remove the body here. We don't need to send body also. And same thing here. Same thing here. So instead of post, delete method we need to call here also. Okay, like this. Here I will pass ID. Which ID we want to delete? Here also I need to pass ID. Okay, so like this we will perform the operation, HTTP operation. Okay, so I hope you guys understand here. And now go to the project. I think my project is created. Okay, read go to the respected folder. What is the folder name? Start operation. Okay, start npm start, and then npm start command. Okay, today I will set up the JSON server and just display the hello world in the first page. Okay, so next video we will start working on the CRUD operation, complete CRUD operation. First we will implement the API, get API, and integrate in our UI also. Then again we will implement post API and update API and delete API. Okay, implement as a temporary API and integrate in our front end. Okay, now my project is started, and go to the another terminal. Inside the CRUD operation, open the CMD. Same code we need to open inside the editor. So write the command here, code space dot. So same code will open the editor. Okay. So my project is already started. So here first go to the package.json. I think this is installed latest version. So make this 17. Okay. Downgrade it, because in the latest version some bugs are there. Okay, sometimes some library not working. So it here npm install, and go to the index.js. Go to the index.js, close this one. Go to the index.js, remove all these things here. Remove this line, remove the client also. Just React DOM we will use inside the React DOM library. Okay, and the React DOM dot render document dot get element by id root. We will render this root. Okay, okay, save it. I think npm installed here. Some errors are there. Again npm install. npm install hyphen force. I think it's not. Just we will put inside the other. Okay, npm install hyphen force. No, I think some mistakes. I think I have made some mistake here in GitHub library. 17.0.2. 17.0.2. 0.2. Save it and npm install. Some library not matching. That's why it's giving error. Okay, some library not matching. That's why it's giving error. As you can search here also, React JS 17 version. See, like this 17.0.2. In that 10 version, there are some bugs. You want to search here 18.0.18.1.0. Some bugs. Some library not working. Okay, I think it's updated. Yeah, it's updated. Now close all these things. Close this one also. Remove the app.css file here. Remove everything. App.js, go to app.js. Remove this one also. Just render here fragment. Inside the fragment, just write one div h1. This is the CRUD operation. This is the CRUD operation. Save it. Save it. And go to the here. Refresh. What is the error? Coming module build field dot module source map loader this.cgs. Some errors are there. Now close all these things. Go to here. Close this one. Clear screen. Again npm start. And then npm start. Right. npm start. It will take a couple of minutes. Wait for 2 minutes. And for using JSON server, because we need to create some API, right? Temporary API. So here we need to install some libraries. So we need to install some JSON server library and see output is coming. Okay. And we need to use in our project Mdb material bootstrap react library. So we need to install it. So we will install as a one time. Okay. So Mdb Reactivi Kit we need to install. So we will go here, clear screen. So we need to install Mdb Reactivi Kit, and we need to install JSON server also here. Paste it. Remove this one npmi. Okay. After that, we need to install another some libraries which is required. This one also. Yeah, already it's complete. And React, we need to install Redux also. Redux, search it. React Redux. React Redux. React Redux quick start. Okay, we need to install it. Copy this one. Copy this library and paste here. And we need to install React Router DOM also. React Router DOM. Just install it. Wait for 2 minutes. Okay. I think some errors. So we need to install step by step. Remove all these things. Just install step by step only. Mdb Reactivi Kit. -- force. -- force. Sometimes some library not working based on the some old library, so we need to force it. And this one installed. Okay, so remove this one. Wait for 2 minutes. It will take couple of minutes for installing the library. Wait for 2 minutes. Yeah, it's installed. Okay, now it's running. App is running. Okay, now it's fine. So first we will create one db.json file for creating the API. Here I will go to create db.json. db.json. I will create a one file here. Getting started. So like this, I already installed. Okay, npm install. Actually, we need to install globally, but it's fine. Okay, so we need to create some JSON file. Okay, I I already created db.json file, and I will create here one JSON as of now for temporary purpose. And here I will create a one JSON that is called product. Okay, that is called product. Product is a one array. Inside the array we have id, we have id, we have id. First we have id, id1. Name, we have name. Name is for example mobile. Okay, and after that description, we have a description. This is the cellular phone. Okay, and fourth is the price. Here I see price as a string 9,000. Okay, and color color is red. Okay, so we have some data. We will create some temporary data here. So that is the laptop. This is the laptop computer. The laptop computer. Okay, price is 50,000. Silver color. Okay, save it and run this file. How you can run it? Here already written the command like the json server -- watch, json server, json -server. Okay, json -server -watch -watch. Which file we need to run it? db.json, db.json, db.json. We need to run it. See, it's running. See, it's running. It's running. Which post? Which port? Actually, we need to define. It's already running in the 3000. So close this one. Close this one. We need to run port number. We need to assign port number. Port equal to 5000. We need to run. We need to run inside the 5000. No, it's not running. It's running by default. So just go here and check it. Why it's running by default 3000? We need to make a we need to run in another port because in the 3000 our React application is running, right? So we need to JSON server run in the different port. JSON server run different port. So see here how to change the port number 3000 inside the JSON. ds.config.json. Go to the JSON file. Go to the JSON file. Here I am installing the library, right? Here I am installing the library. Here I am installing the library JSON server. Okay. So it's okay. It's okay. No problem. It's running in 3000. So React application we will run in the different port. React application, close this one, and run in the different port. Game start. React application we will run in the different port. Okay. JSON server running into the 3000. So React application we will run in the different port. Wait. Yeah. Yes. I want to run in the different port because 3000 is already used. 3000 in the 3000 running to backend. Okay. Close this one. Close all these things. I will show you. I will show you using Postman. Guys, you know Postman. I hope you guys understand what is a Postman. Okay, Postman is the tools, third party tools, which we will use for making the API call and checking the request response. Okay, so I'm using here Postman. So first here my project is running, right? My JSON server is running. JSON server is running. See, JSON server is running. So this is the get command. This is the get API. This is the get API. So I will go to run get API first. I will run here get API. Here I am selecting get. Okay, by default it's selecting get. So here not post. Okay, after 3000, this is the product. This is the product. After that slash product, send it 404 coming. Why 404 coming? If you see here, this source it's giving some error. Why? Go to the document. Go to the document. Why it's giving some error? First copy this one. First copy this one. Remove all these things. Control it. Remove this one. Paste this one. Save it. Save it and copy this command and paste inside the Postman. Just I will check. Yeah, it's working. It's working. So it's working. It's working. It's giving 200. See, it's giving 200. It's giving 200. Okay. And inside the post, only one data there. One data there. See, one data there. Okay. That's why it's showing. So just we will remove. Just we will remove these things. Just I want to show this one. Here we will change instead of post. We will change product. Okay. ID one. Instead of title, we will change name. We will change mobile. And here instead of name, mobile, description. This is phone description. This is phone. Save it and again hit the command instead of post. We need to write this so that it's giving me that 404. It's coming empty. Again, close this one. Close here. .js. Why it's same coming? Actually, here some issue because I am creating this file inside the src folder. That's why it's not coming as per our requirement. Control Z and we will put in outside. Or if I want to know, just put outside. Okay, move outside. Outside. Okay, it's outside. Okay, and now go here, close this one, clear screen, and just run JSON server hyphen patch db.json. Okay. See, now it's working. Okay, now it's coming. Okay, copy this one, get command, and go to the postman. Go to the postman product and hit. See, it's returning the data. Okay, that is the get call. It's returning the data. So now get call is working fine. And if I want to make as a post call, so same here, I will perform post call. Inside the post, we need to send body here, right? Select the body and raw data as a JSON. I want to send some data as JSON. Okay, so same body we need to send here. Same body we need to send here. Just here I pass ID 3. No, we don't need to send ID as of now. Just we need to send laptop instead of computer. Price 5,000 like and post it. It's working or not. See, it's created. It's created. And ID 3 automatic ID. See, you did not send ID, right? So it's automatically created. If you go here, see, it's already created. One you make as a post call, right? You send the body, so it's created. Again perform the get call. Again perform the get call in the new tab. Copy this. Again perform the get call in the new tab. Perform the get call. Here select the get and send it. So see, there are now it's coming 3 records. Now it's coming 3 records. So same API will integrate in our UI. So JSON is working fine. So in the app.js, we need to make as a table. First table, inside the table we will display and create some tab bar also. So guys, in this video, we will stop it, and the next video we will meet and integrate the API. Okay. So I hope you guys understand. So watch my previous video also, so that you will get verified. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video.